All right, we're ready to talk about flower reproduction. Flowering plants reproduce. Uh, there's a problem. I'm stuck in the ground over here, and my sexually reproductive partner is way over on the other side of the meadow over there. How are we going to mix up our genes and reproduce? Well, plants reproduce in two steps: pollination, then fertilization. Pollination is getting my pollen over there, or vice versa, your pollen over here. Usually that requires some sort of intermediary, a pollinator, a bird, a bat, a bee, or the wind. Literally, if I just make enough pollen and throw it into the air, hopefully I'll get lucky. Literally. Unfortunately, that gives us allergies sometimes. If you're allergic, you're probably allergic to that pollen in the air. So how are you going to show that you know about plant reproduction? Step one is to click on the flippity. So match the terms up, and you'll show that you got it right. So though this guy, that's pollen. No, that's not right. It went red. So maybe, oh, this guy is the petal. Oh, it goes green. Click on it again. So go through all of the flippity flashcards, all the flippity matching, and you'll familiarize yourselves with these structures. Now, what is the function? What is the job of these structures? The job of these structures is to either make pollen or receive pollen. And then once I've received the pollen and fertilization has happened, sperm meets egg, that's going to make an embryo. We call an embryo in the plant world a seed. So what are you going to do? You're going to take a field trip to HEB. Watch both of these videos that I have you watching here to familiarize yourself with the process. And then you're going to carefully select which apple you're going to use from HEB. Thing one, go cheap. That's what I always do for this lab. And then thing two, watch that video and I give you some instructions about like which kind of apple to choose. You want to be very, very careful on choosing the top of the apple. You've been holding an apple wrong your whole life. That's the bottom. Now my apple's upside down. Now it's right side up. So choose wisely, and you make two cuts and make two photos. Take two photos. So cut this guy in half, and here's going to be photo number one for the male structures, and then I cut this guy in half, and there's going to be photo number two, the female structures. So you'll do that on the Apple dissection lab report. So upload those photos, however you do it. Either do it with a camera and like zoom in. That's preferable. Or you can just whatever device you're watching right now, it has a camera function on it probably somewhere. Post paste both those guys right here. It's okay if it spills over into the margins. It's a slide. Then like draw a line. So whatever's right here, what is that little pollen making guy? Type it into the box. Oh, that's wrong. And then insert a line from here to here, wherever it actually is on your actual photograph. So show me how you know that this apple blossom flower structure is still around in this actual apple ovary fruit that I've chosen. What is the name of that structure? Is it male or female? What is its function? And then how would you extend this lab further? What would you do to go above and beyond, and to what other questions might you have as you do this? Make sure to upload it correctly, and make sure that you know how plants reproduce. They first do pollination, and then they do fertilization. I hope this is helpful. I know I talked fast, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Boop.